Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2015 Subaru Liberty Premium sedan, stock reference number 4893. This shape runs from the 8th month 2014 through to the 10th month 2017. It has an FB25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol boxer engine, backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. FB25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the right-hand headlight, left front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left power door mirror. Left front door appears to have no damage, left rear door also appears to have no damage. Left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left hand tail light, left boot lid garnish, boot lid appears to have no damage. Right boot lid garnish, tidy rear bumper cover, right hand tail light, right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door appears to have no damage, right front door has one small dent. Right power door mirror, right guard appears to have no damage, and a right front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior, leather center console lid, automatic console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.